Welcome to Hawaii Academy. In this video, we are going to show how to control the processor using CAT6 cable. So for that, using the CAT6 cable, connect the processor and the laptop. At the time of connecting, the LAN cable symbol will be on the display of the processor. After that, open the control panel and go to the network settings. Select network and sharing. Then click change adapter settings. After that, right click on the Ethernet and go through properties. In that, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. After that, select use the following IP address. Then enter the IP address in the likely format shown on the screen. In this, the default gateway is the IP address shown in the display of the processor. Finish this by clicking OK. When we click OK, the network will automatically detect it. Now we can control the processor through CAT6 cable.